Hi everybody and welcome to another video from one of our favorite coins, which is Quant, right? And we've seen the price balloon today at just about 2%, and I'll be giving you probably more from an on-chain perspective and not just more of technical analysis. I know we've been doing much of technical analysis, and I've been telling you why Quant is very, very bullish. And today we'll be looking at the on-chain analysis for Quant. As you can see in the past 24 hours, right, we've seen a fluctuation of price. But if you can see it from the last 30 days, we've seen that Quant has really gone on a huge run, and we are just retesting. And I'll show you why accumulation is going on for the price of Quant. Now, let's go to some of the slides I have today. Now, the first slide I have is from Lunar Crush, right? And Lunar Crush is one of those apps that tracks social engagement for coins, right? And then one of the things we can see, for instance, example, Luna and some of these coins, Solana, and some of these coins that had huge runs in the past, one of the things we can notice was that the social growth began increasing. And when we saw a high level in the social growth, especially on social media, you could see that the price began to increase. And this is from Lunar Crush, right? And what you were saying that at about August 1, we saw about 1,000, just about 1,000 social contributors. At September 28, we already tripled that price to around 3,080 social contributors. But at currently at October, at about October 17, we have 12,000. So probably from August 1 to October 17th, we have 12x the number of social contributors for Quant, and that is a very huge sign for the price of Quant, and that's why we've seen Quant explode in price. And I'll tell you that that is just the beginning, right? The last time we saw coins like this, like did something like this, we saw huge runs, very huge run. I mean, this was what made BNB go from $10 to about 200, $600. This was what made Solana move from about $15 down to about 220. And so probably we could see Quant even to higher levels of about 500 and 1,000. Now let's go to the on-chain data to see what is happening with Quant. And there is one of the datas we can get. And one of the things we'll be looking at is the MVRV value, the ratio of Quant, and then the weight sentiment, right? What are people thinking about Quant? And as you can see, the weight sentiment is measured in the red, and the MRVR value is measured, and this is measured daily. And as you can see, daily we could see the price, right, especially the MVRV ratio has been increasing for the price of Quant, which makes it very bullish, right? If you also check this graph, right, if you see the blue line talks about people who have 0.01 to 0.1 Quant, the purple, no, sorry, the orange line, 0.1 to 1 coin, the purple line 1 to 10 coins, right? The brown line 10 to 100 coins, the light green 10,000 to 100,000 coins, right? The ash we could see 100,000 to 1 million coins, right? And we could see other colors black, right, and down yellow. But one thing we could see with this graph is that what made our quant to have some little push in price is that the whales, right, as you can see, can you see the green? The green are those that have about 10,000 to 100,000, 10,000 to 100,000 QNT. It pushed the price downwards. As you can see, same thing with the ash, right? Those people that have 100,000 to 1 million quant, right? So they are purposely pushing the price down. And what are they doing? They are accumulating, right? So they purposely push the price downward so that they can accumulate more, right? But as you can see, we as the retail, we are not shaking. As you can see, the price, right, has continued to go up. So the whales are trying to manipulate the price of quant, but I can tell you, please do not fall for the manipulation from the whales, right? The whales are trying to push the price downward so that you can sell your quants to them, right? Do not, I repeat, do not sell your quants. As you can see, They're really trying to manipulate the price, as you can see. But the price has been going up, right? Even for the retail, right? We understood that the whales are just trying to manipulate the quant. We understand quant. I mean, these guys, whales, that have a lot of money, right? So they just could buy a lot of quant and just manipulate the price. And I'll show you from the chart that shows us it's just a manipulation to sell your quant because we know that quant is going even to higher levels, right? And if we go to the chart, if we see what we're saying about our quant yesterday, that we're just having some little correction. As you can see, we're making this chart yesterday, and we are saying we expect the price of quant at least to get to the $240 range in the next few days. So please, as you can see, the whales began selling much of the quants. They tried to push the price downwards to scare you out, to make you sell out your quants. But as you can see, it's just a price manipulation by the whales, and they're accumulating more, right? Because when you look at the price of quant, especially on the larger time frame, we could see that uh, for quant remains very, very bullish, as we can see, right? I told you from the chart, as you can see, these blue represent the liquidity levels, right? Many of the resistance, right? As you can see, there is not much resistance at this point, right? So we should see quant push to the 240 levels in some few days' time, and then we should be gunning for around the 407 to 500 mark, right? So we're expecting a very, very huge run. One of the reasons why I can also prove this is the EMA ribbons, right? And we've always been saying this for the EMA ribbons, every single time we saw the EMA ribbons flipped bearish, we've seen a very high decline in the price of quant. We flipped bearish for quant at about 17th of November, and we saw quant go down, right, a price of about 83%. But now we could see that the price of quant has flipped bullish on the daily, right? The EMA ribbons have flipped bullish on the daily. So the least we're expecting is the all-time high. And the funny thing is just the daily. We could see the weekly. Can you see? The weekly and the 3 days. The 3 days also has just flipped bullish, right? And we could see, right, the liquidity levels is just coming back to test support. The whales are trying to manipulate you out of your quant. So do not be manipulated, right? We should see quant in a few days at all-time high. So do not be scared. Do not sell your quants to the whales. They are trying to manipulate the price. Last, as you can see, this is a very, very bullish doji. This is what we call a bullish doji, right? This is the bullish doji candle. As you can see, a lot of volume is coming. So do not sell your quants down to the whales. They are accumulating. They want to they want you to make it they want to make you sell your quants to them. So do not be deceived, right? Do not be shaking out. Quant will see all-time high in a few days. If you like the channel, please like, please subscribe. Thank you and have a great day.